Hi traders, Anthony here, looking at Solana paired with USDT. Similar to my last video, these markets are fairly correlated at the moment, but we're trading into a pretty big level here on the daily time frame. Resistance, looking for a pullback. Let's just call that resistance. If we get a breakout, I'm going to be interested in the pullback. Let's have a look at this on the lower time frame here. Go down to the 5-minute chart. See, we've got our market overextended here, so you don't want to be chasing it. We've definitely got the signals that we look for is green, in this case preceded by green, and then I'm looking for the pullback into the mean. So break of this range, pullback, retest and fail, more or less, and then that would be my cue. We're getting that now, starting to pull back down. So there's a fair bit of momentum in the market at the moment, so be careful, because this is pushing up, but it's what we're trading into that is what concerns me. You know, if we look left over here, this is why we're getting, you know, this retrace. So it just depends. I mean, if there's enough bullish momentum here to push this through, this liquidity through here, yeah, and obviously there's some profit taking going on up around this level here at the moment after this move here. But yeah, you know, we could dip back down into wherever there's liquidity, resting all through here. So that's what I'm waiting on at the moment. So if I pull a fib through to here, I would like to see the market come right back down into these levels, say 50 to the 618, down into here. Then I'd be interested in taking this, given that the momentum is behind us. So if we kind of match this up, if we have a look here, this is the mean, this line here coincides nicely with our fib zone. So that's kind of setup that I prefer. If there's a lot of momentum, I mean, you know, that could just give us a shallow pullback down into here and continue on. You know, it's just a matter of watching it. I want to get a discount. I don't want to be chasing the price, but yeah, and we're starting to see that come back down. If this starts to range through here, then that could be my cue. So just wait for this to kind of settle a little bit and see if it starts to consolidate. At the moment, it's just pulling back. So, you know, on the lower time frame, even if you went down to a 1-minute chart, for example, you'd see the setup. You know, you want to see this kind of nice rounded, you know, we're starting to see a little bit of something like that at the moment. So if that holds and then we continue up, then it'll be, you know, a break of this high. That could be it there if this holds. Otherwise this could pull back further. In any case, I mean, depending on your position size as well, what you can do, 5-minute, and this is not financial advice. I mean, I'm definitely bullish with this. Could look to layer in from even here, go in with a market buy and then set up some pending orders as we go back. Whatever your position size is, split it up and see if we can get a fill that way. At least here, you're going to get your feet wet. And then you build the rest of your position. If it takes off, then build your position as we move. So yeah, Solana USDT. Let me just show you something quickly before I wrap it up. These signals, I'm doing a lot of videos on these. So go to my YouTube channel, have a look at the link below the video. But where you get 2 consecutive signals like this, it's a very high probability, and we look for the pullback into the mean. Getting a really, really good result with these signals, especially where you get, like, you wait for the setup. See, this is it down here. You've got the green break out of this shaded zone preceded by the green signal here. You're waiting for the pullback and then you take it. That's your trade. And this will get you in nice and early, into some of these moves. All right. Now, where you see these signals, green followed by red followed by green kind of thing, it's telling us that the market's ranging and we stay out of it. It's actually not a bad pair to trade, this one. There's your trade here. This is what we're looking for here. That's the pullback you want, and you're in. Look at that. Okay guys, click the link below the video, go to my YouTube channel and check out some of the videos I've got on this. I go into detail and show you how to trade on an account that I'm trading, etc. With that, have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.